Rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sarasota, St. Lawrence Key, Southgate, South Sarasota, Ridgewood Heights, North Sarasota, Southgate Ridge, Kensington Park, Sarasota Springs, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, Gulf Gate Estates, The Meadows, Lake Sarasota, Bradenton Beach, DeSoto Lakes, D-Ridge, Fruitsville, Turtle Beach, Vamo, and Bayshore Gardens. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The new bridge was built with safety features including
The Tampa climate summary for this evening is
Flash flood warning.
June 11th, 2024.